Beans didn't do very good over here. I think the bugs got them. We had some off there, but hadn't been spraying really or putting powder down. I switched to an organic spray, or switching to an organic spray for insecticide. But it got my, they nipped my long beans back pretty good. So much so that they're dying. So I'm going to plant some snow peas over here. Let's get to it. Now these are a 60 to 69 day dragon sugar pea pods, or sugar pod snow peas. You need to plant them, reading off the package here, it's 2 to 4 inches apart. 2 to 4 inches, we'll do 4. I have to move, buddy. Into my phone there, my camera shut off, but I just planted those sugar pea pods, snow pea pods, about 2 to 4 inches apart, planted about a ½ inch deep. Did a whole row of them there, probably about 20 plants should be in there. So we'll see how they do. Give them about a week to germinate. It just started raining here again, so we planned that just right as far as timing wise. So we'll see how they do, and we'll keep a track on everything else out here on the